Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. It is Tuesday, January 27th. Hope everyone had a nice evening. Before we get too far into it, let's just go over the disclaimer real quick. This broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor. We're not offering any type of trading advice here today. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. If it sounds like I'm talking funny, it's because I am talking funny. I had a couple implants put in, had some oral surgery done, and I've got this retainer in my mouth, so I sound a little like I have a lisp. Today is Tuesday, January 27th. If you're joining us today, well, that's the good news. Hallelujah. Still in the game. Any day above ground is a blessed day. We're in it to win it. Let's get it. Let's see today. What we like to do if today's your first day, welcome. We like to start off each day by looking at the Forex Factory calendar. We want to know if there's any high impact reports that can cause a lot of volatility. We want a heads up. We don't want to get stuck in a trade right before a red folder report comes out because we're at greater risk to blowing that account. It looks like at 10 o'clock we have consumer confidence, which is an orange folder. That means it's a medium impact expected. Richmond manufacturing, also at 10 a.m., medium impact. And we do respect the medium impact as well as the red, the high impact. So 10 o'clock, we will keep an eye out. All right, what I did pre-market was using our trade analyst, which is the ChatGPT integration. I wanted to get a feel for what's been doing well. The bots can be very streaky, and I just wanted to see which ones were the best performers in the last 7 days. And what I came up with from the 19th to the 26th. The bots that are doing the best. Let's start with the AI Auto Trader. The ES one-day pass continues to be red hot, up just under $7,000. You know, when I see that, what comes to my mind is, and I've tried it before, and I think I'll do it again, is let's make a bot that has the exact same parameters, but let's, instead of trading 10 contracts, trade one. And we can also put in the leapfrog. We have a very exciting trade management integration called the leapfrog that allows our runners to run, and all the while locking in profits with a trailing stop. So it's not only a trailing stop, but a jumping profit target that keeps moving more and more ahead, above or below price. So the ES one-day pass, let's go to strategies. I'm going to make a new strategy. Select my AI Auto Trader. I'm going to load up that ES one-day pass. AIES one-day pass. And I'm going to keep everything the same. Just make a little bit of an adjustment. What I'm going to adjust is just the number of contracts. I'm just going to make it 1 instead of 10. And I'm going to put in a leapfrog. And we'll let this run on the E-mini. We'll change our label. This is the AIES OGP 1 contract. And we'll run it in our SIM 101 account. Just to see how it does. Then our AIES Best Bot has been doing extremely well. It's up $3,500. Wow. Let's take a little bit of a closer look while we have a few minutes. Trade performance. Let's take a look at that. AIES Best Bot. And sure enough, it's up $3,561. I always like to see when. I go to my analysis, look at the entry times. Kind of odd times, 8:30. And in the afternoon, towards the closing bell, it does really well. Interesting. We have the NQ 1-day pass. And this one, I noticed, comes out of the box. It should be trading 10 contracts. And I believe I fixed it. But if you've just recently done the update, you might want to check yours. Make sure it's trading 10 contracts for a 1-day pass and not just one contract. Let's just scroll down really quickly. Yeah, I changed it to 10 contracts. We want a profit target window on this. $62 profit target's 25. So this might be flipped. No, this is incorrect. I'm just going to make a little adjustment on that one. Make sure it's on the NQ. Anytime we make any changes, we make sure we're on the right instrument. The leapfrog. Let's take a look at the leapfrog. Leapfrog does really well starting at 10 a.m. Has a really nice window of opportunity between 10:30 and 12:30. Our winning percentage goes up significantly between 10 and 10:30, 10 and 12:30. The RJ Star continues to do well. Wow, look at that. Took 2 trades, won them both. Full winners at 935. Wow. If I renamed that account, but if I go to our other AI, if I go back a little further for the whole month of January, good morning, everyone. And what we'll do is we'll add on the other RJ. We recently streamlined the portfolio and shortened the names, but it's the same exact bot as this one here. Since for the month of January, the RJ, look at this thing, it's on fire. $11,389. $2,500 a drawdown. Incredible. Having a huge month. So that's our top 5 on the AIs. On the iBots, our iBot NQ24U is up 3,900 from the 19th to the 26th. The iBot 32nd is up 2,000. The iBot NQ Best Bot 632 are the 3 that are in the green on the iBots. All right, let's take a quick look and see what the market looks like from the overnight session. Let's see where we are. Midnight, January 27th. Wow, that's why there's nothing on our leaderboard. The market's just moving completely sideways. Remember, a Unarenko bar is not based on time, it's based on volatility. So when you see there's no bars since midnight, what that's telling us is that the market is sideways, completely sideways. Since midnight, there's 5 bars. These are not time-based bars, they're calculated in ticks. 5 bars since midnight. That's a big red flag. If you look at our leaderboard, these are the what have you done for me latelys. And nobody, not one bot, has done anything in this current trading session. So, going into the opening bell, good luck, everybody. Let's see if the market condition changes. Let's see what the NASDAQ has done overnight. We'll go to midnight right here. Oh, that's the ES. Let's go to the NQ. It's completely flat. Completely sideways. Small move up, small move back, up, back. Very ranging. A ranging choppy market on the NQ. Mack truck is in a tray. Let's take a look. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's see if we could find our way to the winner's circle. Yesterday, what a day. Mark Miller, $70,000 across 10 prop accounts in one session. $70,000. 70,000. 70. That's a whole lot of money. If I didn't see it with my own 2 eyes, I probably wouldn't believe it. Right? What a day yesterday. Wow. Well, he started the stream and he was already up about 30,000. And then during the session, he made another 40,000. So, I mean, that was as good as it gets. Here we go. There's the bell. There's the bell. ES 1-day pass is in short. ES Best Spot is following the ES Star. Oh, look at this. Getting a nice move down at the open. Tempted to jump on that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Rao. Good morning, Dukester. Good morning, Carol. Thanks for joining us. There it goes. We're getting a pop to the upside now. Mack truck is in. Leapfrog in. Let's wait. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. 9:31. Let's let things settle down. Let's see what we're working with here. ES 1-day pass. Let's take a look at this. This is one of our hottest bots. This ES 1-day pass went short. Could be in trouble. Counter trend trade on the E-mini for a 1-day pass. Let's see if it retraces back to the 50. Broke through the VWAP to the downside. Might come back down and retest support. Make sure everything is cranked up and running. We got the iBots gonna go. Coming back down to test support. Might have some running room to the downside. If it does. Got a whole lot of clearance down there. Today's picture day at my daughter's school. Oh, here it comes to the downside. Let's see if we can get in a short. We got a big spike in volume just then. Let's anticipate the break. We're getting some buying pressure here. Here comes a signal A. I'm using a trade copier. Trade copier gives us the ability to simultaneously trade multiple accounts. This is the time of the year last year that a lot of good things happened. We went on a winning streak between January 15th and April. Incredible consistency. I'm going to anticipate this break. It depends where my 20U is. Okay, it's below. Okay, great. Let's see if we can get the break of support. Come on down. Break on through. Didn't quite get there. All right, now my signal B kicked in. Let's go. Looking for a short move. Pop in. Ah, come on in. Get in the trade. A little late. Oh, man almighty. Ah, wow. This one just passes right by. I don't know why it didn't trigger. What a beauty. Nice spike of volume. 3,000 contracts a minute. Oh, come on. Get us in. Better late than never. Oh, my goodness. Let me check and see if I've got this enabled. That would have been a home run. Look at that. Come on. Get in the game here. Wake up. That ES one-day pass is coming on down. We need a bit of a retracement on the NQ30. We're a bit oversold on the move. Anyone get that trade on the leapfrog? I'm referring to this one. At 9:38 it looked like. Right here. 9:36. I hear you, Duke. I've had bad experiences when I try to manually trade. But that is an entry I would have taken for sure. Okay, we got the retracement. The ES one-day pass is on top. The IBOT 16U. The Revo NASDAQ 30. That Revo, the ES20 on the Revo has been doing great. The NASDAQ on the 30 has been doing great. Okay, let's hold up. Let's regroup. We're getting a retracement on the 20U. That MNQ power plays up 58. This Mack truck could take off long on the 20U. Let's go to the MNQ, the NQ Mack truck. It's about to take off long. Okay, there's the leapfrog. It just woke up. Our 20U is just breaking through the 50. The Mack truck's about to take off long. Okay, we're in short. We just got into this leapfrog short. Let's see if we can get a little follow through to the downside. Come on down. I like the entry. Let me turn off the Mack truck. Come on, give me some follow through to the downside. Come on down. Come on down. Uh-oh. Trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Come on. Drop. Got on the wrong side of the 50. Lost 330 on that one. So the leaderboard's starting to light up a little bit. Starting to come to life. Let's see if we can get a move to the upside now. Come on, let's get some follow through. We got some bullish hammers on the 30 range. At 10 o'clock, we got an orange folder report. 10 o'clock. Consumer confidence. Richmond manufacturing. Hey, Jim, good morning. Good to see you, sir. Come on, let's get a move up. See where my gold chart's at. Gold. Sorry about that. Gold's trading at 5,067. Oh, let me see your question, Tony. Let me try to scroll this down. I meant to call you, Tony. I know that I got some message on the phone from you and Greg B, Lyle, Antonio. Um, on your trade copier, does it matter how many tabs I have? Antonio, what I think is the only tab that's going to affect the resources is the one that's up and showing. Um, I could be wrong. I would check with Joel on that. I've talked to Joel about the resources on his copier, and according to him, it does not use a lot of resources. And I'll leave it at that. But I would check with him because obviously he's the developer of that tool and knows far more than I could possibly know about it. Hey, Harley user. I don't have an open trade on silver, no. Okay, we're in. We just got in the Mack truck. We are in the Mack truck. Let me take off the leapfrog. Let's just play one at a time here. Come on, let's see if we can get a move up. Come on, push higher. Push higher. Push higher. Come on, let's go. Get my window. Come on up. Breakthrough, 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 breakthrough. Oh, no. Don't come back on me. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Darn. That thing came all the way back quickly. Very quick. Okay, we got 8 minutes. 8 minutes for the news report. We're down about 260, 265. You're short on silver? Good luck, my friend. Look at that. It wicked me out and then kept on going. Ouch. IBOT 16U is in. 600 tick in. Leaderboard starting to come to life. The IBOT ES best spot. Let's go back to that top 5 that we had. Where was it? Right here. The IBOT AIES best spot. Decent volume now. 3,000 contracts a minute on NASDAQ. I got wicked out on this long trade. Crying shame. Getting some good buying pressure here. I'm trying to get in on my leapfrog. Let's see if it breaks through resistance. Today at 4:30. 4:30, we're going to do a live presentation on the AI Auto and the iBots. AI Auto and the iBots. If you want to learn more and you'd like to attend that live presentation, send us an email to support@rightlinetrading.com and we will send you a VIP link. Support@rightlinetrading.com. Come on, let's get this break of resistance. Let's take this move up. We got 5 minutes before the report. Let's see if we can catch this move to the upside. The what have you done for me latelys? That's my leaderboard for today's session. I also like to do a little bit further of a look back. I like to look back a week, a month. I like to get to know each one of my bots and how they're performing. So I do put extra weight on my leaderboard because these are the ones thriving in the current market condition. That's pretty valuable information, knowing that these bots are pretty streaky. And then I like to do a little bit of a further look back, anywhere from a week to a month. so I can have even more confidence. All right, you know what? I think we're going to step aside and wait for that 10 o'clock news report to come out. Give it one more minute, and then I'm going to shut down my copier. I'm sick about missing this move up. That's part of trading, though. We got a beautiful entry on this right here at 25,987. I'm going to turn it off. Antonio, just on those 10 streamlined strategies. For me, wait, is the streamlined? Yeah, those are the only ones I'm running, Antonio. Yes. I'm also running the iBots. The iBots, you could see, are dominating my leaderboard this morning. The iBots, the trigger on the iBots, remember, is what it's looking at are the market internals from the cash market, from the stock market. We make a connection with Kinetic, and it looks at the up volume versus down volume on all the major indices. It tracks institutional money. When they're buying into one particular into the NASDAQ, you're going to trigger a long trade. If there's an imbalance between buyers and sellers, it picks up on it very quickly. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. We got two news reports coming out right now, Richmond Manufacturing and Consumer Confidence at 10 a.m. Let's see if we can get a trade on this catalyst event. Market seems to be pushing higher. Man, I keep looking at this NASDAQ and I want to get sick. I had the entry of all entries. That IBOT, 30-second IBOT. That's trading a 30-second bar type. Congratulations, Rao. Great job, man. Hey, Dano. Yeah, get flat, Dano. It's 10 a.m. Here we go. Here we go. I got a feeling this thing's going to keep going up. Let's see what our E-mini looks like. E-mini. It's broke above the VWAP. Let's see if we get that break of resistance. Sounds like a country western song, Antonio. I bought ES Best Spots trading the ES4U. Here we go with the leapfrog long. Here we go. Let's see if we can get one. Let's see if we can get one to the long, in the long direction. It's tempting to take that ES scalper long. It's already in the trade, darn. $50 degrees. It's in the 50s here in Miami. Here we go. We're in long. Let's see if we can get some follow through here to the upside. Come on, bounce for me. Jeez, that thing got in and came straight back. Come on, push higher. Don't come back. Come on, jump. Turning 1,500 contracts a minute. We'd like to see that double to 3,000. This thing. Come on, pop up. U.S. consumer confidence fell sharply in January. Not a very good report on consumer confidence. This is trouble. Come on, bounce. Come on up. Come on. Let's go. Look at that 20U Mack truck. Wow. Boy, I had the entry of all entries this morning. Pulled in another loser. I bought NQ16U. Now we're getting that spike in volume. Let's go for that iBot on the 16U drone. It's number one on my leaderboard. iBot NQ16U drone. Here it is. Well, I'm a pain freak with this leapfrog. I think I should give it a break. Let's rename the tab. This is now the iBot 16U. Looking for an entry on the iBot 16U or that Mack truck. Man, that Mack truck gave me this long entry right here, right in the start of that big move up. And I got wicked out. This 600 tick can be a very interesting strategy on the iBot. 600 tick. Let's see if we can get into a trade on this iBot 16U. We're in. We are in. Oh, we're in 2 trades now. Come on, let's go. Let's get a move up. Come on, get through my first profit target. Come on, push up. Push up. Come on. One good push to the upside. In that iBot 16U. Push up through there. Come on. A little higher. Oh, no. Oh, man almighty. Don't come back now. Oh, man. Push up. Look at this thing, will you? Ran out of gas on me. I need one more push to the upside here. Man. Come on, get some follow through the upside for me. Man. Come on. Let me bounce to the upside. Ah, unbelievable. Give this thing some room. Yeah, give it some room. Let it mature. Earlier, we let that come back and wick us out. See if we can get this thing to break through resistance. Need a break of resistance here. Come on, break, push up. Let's go. One more leg up. There you go. Pop up. Come on now. Let's go. Mm. Let's be patient. I'm getting some buying pressure here. Trying to break through resistance. A lot of sellers sitting right there. Got ourselves into a nail biter. Come on, break through resistance. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, push up. Push up higher. Come on, break up. Come on, a little higher. The Mack truck is a signal C. So the trigger of that is it price has to be within the high of the candle and the low of the candle has to be between the 15 EMA in order for that trade to trigger. We've got a really great tutorial on the triggers that goes specifically into that. Come on, let's get a little move up here. Let's break right through resistance. The Mack truck loves to run right through the 50. When you get a retracement and it breaks down in through the 50 or up through the 50, but the real trigger is it's looking at the 15 EMA. The higher the candle, the lower the candle must engulf the 15 EMA. Yep. Something tells me I should have taken profits just now on that trade. Momentum is still at the top of my Laguerre oscillator. My RSI line is still pinned to the top. The tutorial is in Discord in the tutorial in the video section. I'll show it to you. Come on through my profit target. Push up. There you go. Almost. Push up a little higher. If you're in our Discord, it's in the training videos. These are the most recent on the bottom. You would scroll up 3 videos to the trigger workshop. And that video explains what triggers each one of our entries. It's a very short to the point video that goes through the triggers. Boy, this could be trouble for me. I'm losing momentum here quickly. Just missed my profit target on that. So today at 4:30, if you'd like to join us live, please send us a request to support@rightlinetrading.com, and we'll send you a link for today's live presentation at 4:30. Coming up right behind me is Savvy Trader, professional trader Savvy Trader. It's going to be coming up at 10:30. And professional options trader David Wise is going to be coming up behind him at 11:30. So we got a full day of some really great trading. The automated bots, we start at 9:15 daily. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow, same time. I think I got to cut my losses on this trade. Yeah, I got to come all the way back on me. We'll let this trade play out for about 5 more minutes. We're going to go till 10:30. Please, if you would, on your way out the door, if you please like my video here on YouTube. Helps us out more than you know. I like to consider it job security. I'm fresh off of about a 2-hour torture session in the dentist chair. Still got stitches in my mouth. But I got a couple of implants. Feels like they implanted it right into my nose bone, right through my forehead it went. I'm going to cut my losses right there. It looks like momentum is shifting again on me. See if we can get a bounce right before we end. I certainly had my chances today, and somehow it didn't come to fruition. It's always a learning experience, I'll tell you. Come on, give me one bounce to the upside. We're losing volume too. Very low volume. It's going to stop me out. Very low volume. $500 contracts, 600 contracts a minute. The institutional involvement just disappeared. All right. Thanks for joining me, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow, God willing. Let's see how the leaderboard. I wound up losing $1,300 across 2 evals. But man, oh man, did I have my chances today. The leaderboard, 16U on the iBot, 30 seconds on the iBot, 600 tick on the iBot. So 1, 2, and 3, all iBots. The Revo on the NQ30 has been red hot. iBot Best Bot, iBot ES20R has been crushing it. Man, has that been hot. So we did have some really retirement plan. Look at that. Man almighty. That retirement plan's up in $1,100 on a trade. So we had some bots do extremely well. The Revo NQ150 range is up $5. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Please come back tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Have a great day. So long.